Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, I'm going to give you a little bit of update on my low carb adventure. Actually, it's been going very well. I'm super proud of myself. Never have I attempted this without cheating. I did kind of have a little bit of ice cream the other night, but I'm okay with that because I went 2 weeks and done absolutely perfect. I had no carbs all day, so I was okay with having some ice cream. I felt guilty as hell afterwards, but hey, it's all good. You know, you gotta have a little treat every now and then, right? But anyway, today we're doing a little bit of meal prep for the week, again, because I find that that's what helps me get through. I have to be able to have something there to eat if I'm hungry. I can't just sit and wonder what I'm gonna have. And actually, we've come up with several meal replacements of things that we like to eat, and they've worked out perfectly. Like the pizza on the tortilla shell that you seen the other day, that's a good alternative. So we had that, well, a couple nights, and it was really super good. I wanted to show you, I don't know if I've showed you, but these low carb tortillas that we use. I think I already showed you this, but I'm going to show it to you again. These are carb balance, and they're from Mission. You can get these at Kroger's. I don't think you can get them at Walmart, but I think Walmart and Kroger's both have off brands of them. They're brands of them, and they're just as good. These are expensive. I'm not gonna lie. These are like $5 for a pack, and you get, how many? I think you get like 8 of them in here. But it's okay. It's a good replacement, because anything that you can put on to make a sandwich out of, you can use these. And you know, you're really saving carbs by doing this, and it's really good. I had a meatball sub, let's do it the right way, sub the other night on one of these, and I'm gonna do a recipe video for you guys today on that, because I got some leftover meatballs that I bought. So I'm gonna show you what I've done with that. It's gonna be a separate video, of course. And also, this is what I'm buying, is the Aunt Millie's, actually it's just light whole grain bread. It's only 35 calories, so if you're watching your calories instead of doing low carb, this is an excellent source of bread if you require bread. But this only has, like, I think it's like 9 or 10 grams of carbs for 2 slices, so this is really good too. We try to only do it, my husband tries to like not have any bread substitute at all most of the time, but I really haven't had any either the last couple weeks, except for occasionally I'll have like some peanut butter toast, and that is perfect for that. But anyway, today what we're making is some egg salad. I probably already have this on my video. In fact, I know here on YouTube. In fact, I know I do, because when I made this before, it was around Easter time, so my eggs were nice and colorful. It was a nice colorful egg salad. It was blue and pink, and it was really pretty. But again, today I'm prepping for, trying to prep for the week. So I'm going to make this egg salad, so I'll show you so you don't have to go look for the recipe. We're going to do it together right here and now. Alright, I've got several eggs in here that I've already boiled. I don't even know how many this is. This might be about, I don't know, 10, 11, whatever. We love egg salad in this house, so if this lasts a couple days, it's going to shock me, but I'll just keep making it. It is so good. But I just boiled these for about 10 minutes. You can boil them for 10 minutes, or you can put them in there, bring them to a boil, and put your lid on them and let them sit for 20 minutes and remove them from the heat, and they're perfect every single time. We're also going to use some mayonnaise, just a squirt, little tiny squirt of mustard, and we're going to use some black pepper and some onion salt, and that is, oh, and my onions sitting here, and that is all that you're going to use for this. Now, some people put relish, pickle relish, in their egg salad, and I don't like it. I'm not a fan of it, and if you like it, that's perfectly fine. You know, no shame in anybody's game here. So if you like it, that's fine, but I encourage you to try this recipe because it is so good. It's so creamy. And that egg, the little bit of onion that you put in there, it kind of changes the texture of it, because egg salad's nice and creamy, and then you get a little crunch of the onion as well. And with the onion salt, it is so good. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, like I said, I got my eggs boiled here, and I'm just going to go ahead and roughly chop them. No They don't have to be big, little, whatever. It doesn't matter how big you chop them because they're going to get chopped up a little bit more as you're, you know, stirring your ingredients in there. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut all of these up into this bowl. Make sure you use a nice big bowl because you want to be able to incorporate all the ingredients really well. All right, my eggs are all cut up and ready to go. Let's make sure we didn't leave any rogue ones down there we didn't cut up. I'm good for doing that. We're gonna dump our onion in there. And you know what, I might have to cut up a little bit more onion because I hadn't planned on using all of these eggs. I was gonna make deviled eggs with some of them, but I thought, you know, like I said, we like egg salad so much in this house that between 3 people, that'll be gone in a couple days. Gonna add some mayonnaise. I like to add just, you know, just enough to make it like nice and creamy. You do how much you want to do because it just determines on how wet you like your egg salad there. We'll probably have to add a little bit more. I just want to kind of get that mixed in together there. Something about those onions when you put it in there, it is absolutely phenomenal. We're going to add some black pepper. A lot, you know I like a lot of black pepper. And then we're going to add some onion salt. And just a tiny little squirt of mustard. I eyeball everything, so not a whole lot of mustard. Just enough to give it a little bit of color, and it's also going to give you that little bit of a wang that I like with it, a little bit of tartness with it. And then you just combine it together. Now, if you're looking for actual measurements for this, like I said, the mayonnaise is just, you know, however wet you like it. I don't like it super wet, but I like it nice and creamy. And you're gonna use probably about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper or more for taste. I like a lot. And with your mustard, maybe about a 1/2 teaspoon or less. Not a whole lot. You don't want a whole lot of mustard in there. You don't want it real mustardy. I can't say that word. And then the onion salt, I don't know, about a 1/4 teaspoon. You just have to taste it. And this is one of the things that it's better the longer it sits. It's so much better. So all those flavors can kind of like marry together. It is so good. Now see, that's about the consistency that I like it. But you've got to make sure that you stir it really well. I'm going to go ahead and give that a taste. You don't want to go too heavy on the onion salt in the beginning because, like I said, once all the flavors incorporate after it's been in the refrigerator for a few hours, you're going to be able to taste the onion salt right away more strongly. That is really good. I'm going to go in for another bite. I'm going to add just maybe a tad bit more of mayonnaise. And maybe just another dash of onion salt. Not a whole lot. And you really do need to add the onion salt with this and not onion powder because you're not going to get the same flavor. You're not going to get that nice oniony flavor. I guess you could use onion powder and then regular salt, but I don't. I always use the onion salt. Put a little bit more pepper in it. Just the way I like it. Look at that. Give it a stir. Alright, I'm going to use 1 slice of this low-calorie, low-carb bread. Like I said, it's 11 for 2 slices. I'm just going to use 1 slice because I'm going to put a little bit of this on there. I'm going to be doing a lot of filming today, so I'm not worried about not being able to eat because I've got a lot of cooking to do, so I'll be able to snack in between. And we're just going to pile it on there. Look at that. I'm just gonna fold mine over and make me a sandwich with it. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Again, this is super easy. You've seen how easy that was, and it's super delicious. And it's the same recipe that I've always used. It just happens to be low carb, which is a plus. Look at that deliciousness. You know, I gotta take a bite. Mmm. So good. Alright, make sure that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. If not, you're going to miss out on a whole lot of good stuff. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Take care.